Okay.
All aboard. Where's Baby T?
Okay, Ahota Key.
And Baby T.
Yes, we'll do about what, 5 minutes? TTT biking at the Burnham Park. Go! Because
It's heavy.
it's heavy and mabagal siyang mag ano.
Beep, 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 beep.
Mabagal.
Okay, Baby T, what can you say? Beep, 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 beep.
Okay. Kung maka-beep-beep ka naman, para namang ang bilis-bilis mong ano. Diba? There.
Isn't it 30 minutes yet?
Di pa. Maybe, pagbalik natin, 30 minutes na. Kasi ang bagal-bagal ni Ahota. Diba? So, today is a Wednesday. Titi Ahota is absent later. Because binigyan siya ng MW.
And my boss called me.
This morning?
This
Or
morning.
yesterday too?
Yes, yesterday my boss called me, and then this morning my colleague called me, but my boss was within earshot.
Oh, keep pedaling. Okay.
So they were asking where I was because I had a class.
What? Mamaya pang hapon.
Okay, I'm going to have a class
Oo.
this afternoon, but I said that's in Baguio.
They had to call you because you did not mention to anyone that you were in Baguio. Only this morning ba? Or the other? No, last night.
Last night when
Another teacher.
another colleague called me.
He was the one getting the email from the
Yes.
students.
My students are asking
Online ba daw? Or?
the modality of our class today, if it's online or on site. So they were emailing my colleague. Beep 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 beep.
Sabi punta ka dun.
Okay.
So, going back to the modality.
Well, it turns out that the modality is no modality.
Okay, kwento pa more.
Well, so that means I'm absent today.
Oo, sinabihan niya na not online, not face-to-face, because he's in Baguio. So I'm sure nagsumbong na.
Yeah, that's why this morning another colleague called me with my boss within earshot.
Yung coordinator for the course. Paano ba yan? First day of class. Your star teacher is still on vacay.
Ako yata may SBA, failure due to absences.
Correct.
Aray!
Ayan, dito na tayo sa dulo at mag-U-turn. But can we U-turn?
Pili ko manginginig yung aking kalamnan.
Sige, ilagay mo lang sa gilid. Poor TTT, look at his legs. Ayan ang traffic sa harap natin. Ayan. Gusto mo mag-video? Ako mag-bike? Or kakayanin mo?
Lalalakan natin. Lavarn.
Ulitin mo, ano sabi mo?
Lavarn.
Lavarn. Tinatanong ko sa kasig, ako na bang magdadrive o kakayanin?
Aja. Lavarn.
Lavarn. Diba there? Baka mahulog si Baby T. Nakalimutan ko siya for a split second.
Oh my God.
So I think,
Okay, that's enough for the video.
wala ka nang ikikwento.
Wala na.
Yes. Ayan o, mabilis ka na.
Ciao.
Isang ano naman, mabilisan.
Ciao.
Ayan o, there. Saan makikita kung ilang minutes na yung ano, yung video natin? Ayan. Saan nakalagay?
Already 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Gawin natin 6 minutes. Hanggang doon man. Dulo to dulo. Diba? Oh, yan ang bike namin. Habaan ko ng konti pa. Kaya pa ba? Ayun lang. Ganyan lang kahaba. Ayan ang legs. Pang bata ito eh. Oh. Ayan na, may sisingit. Ayan. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Ito yung dulo. Yeah, kaya.
Zoe.
There. Buti pa tong batang to, oh. Lapit na. Idulo mo talaga para hindi tayo
It will switch.
Yes.
It's not pedal anymore. It's heavy.
Hindi lang kayo naglalaro dito ha.
So, malapit na dulo. Say bye-bye for
Ciao.
now.